Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting journey where we'll explore how you can launch your very own online business in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 10 minutes. So, you're thinking about starting an online business, huh? Maybe you've got a brilliant idea, or perhaps you're just looking for a way to make some extra income on the side. Either way, you're in the right place. Let me be real with you for a second. The idea of starting an online business can be both thrilling and daunting. There's so much to consider and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Starting an online business today is hard, no kidding. The sheer amount of tasks and responsibilities can make anyone's head spin. There are so many moving parts involved, from planning and strategizing to execution. It's a complex puzzle that needs to be pieced together perfectly. For starters, you need a website, which is essentially your digital storefront. It needs to be attractive, functional, and user-friendly. Then there's the logo, which is the face of your brand. It needs to be memorable and resonate with your target audience. And let's not forget about the marketing copy, graphics, and video ads. These elements are crucial for capturing attention and converting visitors into customers. And the list goes on and on. It's a never-ending cycle of tasks that can leave you feeling drained and overwhelmed. And creating these assets takes a lot of time and energy. You might find yourself burning the midnight oil, trying to get everything just right. Sure, you could save some time by hiring a freelancer, but that can cost you thousands of dollars, and there's no guarantee that the work will meet your expectations. But what if I told you there's a way to shortcut the entire process? A way to bypass the headaches and get straight to the good stuff. Imagine building a business and starting to generate profit fast, without blowing your savings on expensive freelancers. Imagine having a system that does the heavy lifting for you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me, because I'm about to introduce you to something that will change the game. Introducing Shortcut to starting an online business. This revolutionary tool is designed to make the process of launching an online business as simple and quick as possible. This amazing tool is perfect for newbies and promises to help you launch a profitable online business from scratch in under 10 minutes. No technical skills required, no prior experience needed. Yes, you heard that right, less than 10 minutes. Here's what you'll discover. The fastest way to start an online business and drive profit immediately. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can get up and running. How to create marketing assets like landing pages, copy, email swipes, graphics, and even voiceovers in just minutes without spending a dime. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and efficient. How to run, grow, and automate your online business using AI. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works around the clock, handling tasks, and optimizing your business operations. And how to make money selling digital services that require less than 10 minutes to set up and deliver to clients. This is a game changer for anyone looking to offer services online. Still with me? Great, because this is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools and strategies at your disposal. If you've ever thought about starting an online business without the stress, this is your chance. This tool is designed to take the guesswork out of the equation and set you on the path to success. Check the link below to learn more and get started on your journey to success. Don't miss out. This could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Your shortcut to a profitable online business is just a click away. Take the leap and see how quickly you can turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey to online business success.